One day after the magnitude 7.8 earthquake that struck off the coast of Sarangani province on what was supposed to be the first day of classes, General Santos City is still picking up the pieces. The earthquake struck at 7:37 in the morning of June 8. Its epicenter was located offshore, about 32 kilometers southwest of Maasin in Sarangani province, at a depth of 33 kilometers. The city is among the hardest hit. As of 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday, 13 people are confirmed dead, 4 remain missing, and 1,836 families have been displaced. 2 key commercial establishments collapsed in the city. In one of them, search and rescue operations are still underway. Rescuers believe individuals remain trapped inside the rubble. The public transport terminal has also temporarily shut down due to possible structural damage. Passengers are now loading and unloading outside the terminal gates.
Mahirap, mainit. Hindi katulad ng dati doon sa loob, pagbaba mo, hindi siya mainit. Tuloy-tuloy, pagbaba mo, makakasakay ka agad. Tulad nito, matagal pa nag-park. Dapat, bilis-bilisan naman ang pag-ayos ng mga facilities na katulad nito, terminal. Di para maipsan naman yung katulad nito, mainit.
On the relief front, Mayor Lorelei Pacquiao says the city government has activated its command center at City Hall with food, water, and temporary shelters in place for affected families. Those wishing to donate are asked to coordinate directly with the city government for now.
Una-una, so ang pinaka-importante gyud sa tanan no nga among pangayoon is isali sa mga prayer nila no nga malampasan nato og paspas maka-recover ang ato ang mga kaigsuonan. Labi na gyud tong mga empleyado no sa Save More, sa Jollibee kay mao gyud to sila nakita gyud nato ang sitwasyon kung unsa kadako no nga problema ang ilaha karon. Pag tinabangay lang gyud no kung naa may mga gusto magtabang siguro unya i-post namo sa page sa ato ang LGU kung paano sila makatabang no para at least gusto nato maging transparent pod ang mga tabang nga niabot diri sa ato.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ordered the cancellation of classes in affected areas and directed all disaster response agencies to mobilize immediately, saying, quote, "The national government is moving and we will not leave Mindanao behind." For the latest developments and updates, follow Inquirer.net and CDN Digital as the situation continues to unfold. This has been Pia Piquero, CDN Digital.